When you work with founders or those leaders of companies, right? What do you see traits which are important, let's say, more in a startup and entrepreneur world rather than in a large company, in an organizational setup?
Obviously, the part that I like with it, and which is crucial, is to keep the energy and traction up all the time. And you have less security systems. You are much more on your own. And I think if you don't have this vision, and if you are not convinced about what things you're doing, then it's very hard to work as an entrepreneur in a newly started company. But if you believe in what you're doing, then of course it's much more rewarding because you can focus entirely, or maybe not entirely, but at least majority of your capacity on the things you believe in. And to me, that is very inspiring as well, because I've been seeing so many dysfunctional organizations in large corporations, and I've seen so many employees and also managers being there simply because they get a monthly salary and being there simply because it's comfortable. And then moving out in a context where I see people and work with people completely believe in what they are doing and getting a fraction of that money at this time and just working with a dream. I think that's extremely inspiring.